Hello guys, and welcome back to I'm Now Tech again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to protect your pen drive from other people by locking it. So whenever you plug the pen drive, it will request that you input a password. I'm going to turn on BitLocker using a password. So now right now, as you can see, if we open it, we can have access to all the files without inputting any password or any other thing. So without further delay, let's get started. This is the drive. Just right click on it and turn on BitLocker. Once it does load, you just have to wait patiently for it to load. Now use this password. So let's say use a password. So now we have this here. So just enter your password, at least 8 characters, but mix it. Now that I've inputted my password, so just click on next. So here we can just proceed next, but in our case, for us to be on the safe side, let's just create a recovery tool. And now by creating a recovery file, let's input a pen drive and save the recovery file onto there. So in case if we forgot our password, but we can recover it. So plug in this pen drive. Right. So as you can see, I've plugged another pen drive, and let's see here. All right. So we have that here. We have it connected here. So now let's create the recovery. So just go to save file, save to a file. Now here we select that hard drive. We select the pen drive already. This is the pen drive here. So this is it. It's a 16 gig pen drive, and we are locking the 4 gig pen drive. So select the 16 gig pen drive, which is this, and then this is just the recovery key for that. So just click on save. Right, so as you can see, your recovery key has been saved. So it has been saved to this pen drive. Now let's continue. So as it says, these are the options. So you say encrypt used disk space only, faster works on best new drives. So just click on next. Right, so click on next, and it's saying that you will be able to unlock this drive using the password. So using which password? The password that I inputted during the starting process. Encrypt might take a while depending on the size of your pen drive. So with this, you can use hard drive, pen drive, or any other storage device. Use this process to lock it. So that is why it's saying that encryption might take a while depending on the drive size. So if your drive is 1 terabyte, it might take longer as compared to my own. So let's start encrypting. So right, so this is it at the background here. So you just have to wait for it to encrypt. As you can see now, it has added a lock onto the pen drive, but it is not locked yet. So let's wait for the encryption to be done. So I'm going to fast forward the video, so in order not to waste your time. So let's get to the ending part. Right, so here our encryption is done, so you can just close that. Now if you go onto our other hard drive, where on our other pen drive where we backed the file inside, so let's just open that. Right, so this is the encryption key which we'll be using later, or we can be using later if we forget our password. So let's go back. So right now that, as you can see, the pen drive is having the lock key, we just have to unplug it and replug it back. So right click on it and eject. So eject this drive too, because we won't be needing this anymore. We just want to, the reason we plugged that was just to save the file onto that pen drive. So even on a different PC, but we can use that recovery key to unlock. All right, so now plug the pen drive. Right, so now you can see that when we connected the pen drive, it is having a lock activated. So if you double click on it to open, it says that you should enter a password before you can access whatever that is inside. So if you don't enter this password correct, let's say I enter anything, and you see the password is incorrect. So if you don't enter the right password, it is never going to enter. So that is just how easy and simple it is to protect your pen drive or any storage device which you are having from your close friends or even beyond your close friends. So once this BitLocker is there, even if your pen drive is lost, people who got it but still they can't have access to whatever file that you have inside, so they will just have to throw it away because it is of not going to be any use to them. So now I've entered the right password, so let's unlock. Sorry, I didn't enter it correctly. So enter the right password, unlock, and voila, now you can see we are able to log in onto the pen drive. So any PC that you goes to plug in the pen drive, it is going to be locked. So you need to remember the password and slot that in. And if you have forgotten the password, which we have made a recovery, so in the next video I'll show you how to use the recovery key to unlock the file. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Peace out.